Hey crafties, this is Kimberly with Sky Creations. So let's get crafting and create a Halloween inspired paper flower lollipop. So as you see here, I cut out my cardstock. It is from the 12 by 12 cardstock shop. It's from the Encore collection and it's an 80-pound paper. So we're going to first prep our little eyeball. So I took some tissue paper, cut out a little piece to wrap around my little lollipop, grabbed a piece of twine, you can use any ribbon for this, and tied a knot on there. So this is just a way for you to create something really cute and simple with material you probably have on hand. So I used some markers here. We're going to add the center of our eye, and then I'm using purple for the iris of the eye so it matches the paper flower, and then we're going to tie it all in together by adding some little red marks, and it's going to be like the little blood vessels on our spooky eyes here. So once you have the eye completed, we're going to work on our paper flowers. So you'll see there are 4 larger petals and 1 medium-sized petal. You can use a wooden kebab. You can also use the end of a weeding tool to create all of this dimension and rolling that we are about to do. So go ahead and grab some scissors, cut slightly from the side of the petal to the center, not all the way so you don't cut the petals off, but you want to be able to add some dimension. So I do the same thing with the middle one. We're rolling upwards. You're creating like little tacos as you go along the process, and we're all set to assemble. So as you see here, we're going to pinch the bud slightly up, making it nice and tight, and then opening it up, putting some glue on there. And when you place it on the layer below it, you want to make sure that you stagger the position. So you don't want the petals to overlap. You want to make sure that they are staggered and that you're leaving the center open. So we do have on there the opening hole for you to be able to place that lollipop. So make sure on each petal that you have that open. And as you see here, we're almost to the top. So you're going to have to take a little bit more time as you go more and more with the layers. It does take a little bit more time between there to make sure the glue sets and everything is ready to go. So here we're pressing it down with the kebab stick, and we're going to be placing the eyeball lollipop through the center in just a little bit. So as you see, the tissue paper was a little bit long, so we're gonna go ahead and trim it there, make sure that everything is good to go, and there is our spooky paper flower lollipop holders. Make sure you like and subscribe to the 12 by 12 cardstock shop for more great paper craft tutorials.